In this video, I will show you how you can enable or disable the auto rotate feature on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, first of all, just open the control center in your iPhone, and from here just look for this lock icon. If you cannot find the lock icon in the control center, so just tap and hold on the empty space in your control center, then tap on add a control. Now in the search bar, just search this. From here, just tap on orientation lock and add the orientation lock option to the control center, which is the lock icon. So just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Now, if you want to turn off the auto rotate feature on your iPhone, just enable this lock icon. And after you do that, you'll enable orientation lock and the orientation of your iPhone will be locked, just like that. But if you want to enable the auto rotate feature, then just go back to the control center and from here just turn off the lock icon. Now, after you turn off the orientation lock, you will enable the auto rotate feature on your iPhone, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.